How to quickly remove flyaway hair. Duplicate layer using Command J. Go to the mask, select Unmask. Select Subject. And I recommend using Refine Hair button. Click OK. Now you have two layers with the girl and with the background. You can switch it off, duplicate layer again, choose Clone Stamp tool and casually clean the flyaway hair. Make sure current in and below is on and the brush is not hard. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just need to clean hair from the background to make sure they don't show through on the second step. Okay, looks fine. Now the girl is on. Make sure to choose the mask layer, the brush, and make sure it's black. It should be not hard again. The opacity is 100%. And now accurately clean out the hair like this. Make sure you're in the mask layer, not in the layer, but in the mask. The mask should be chosen like this.
Indeed.
You can make the brush harder to make the edge more hard, more sharp. I am fine with my brush now. I mean, I don't like hard edges.
Delivering.
And the last one removed.
So, like this. We're in it.
Yeah, looks good. Before, after.